Here was good, y'all. So as you see, or if you haven't noticed yet, I got this on the bar replay mode right here because I dropped this analysis yesterday on my YouTube channel, and I wanted to just share the result of like the move so far to where it went. So my overall bias was bullish, unless this low was going to get broken and then possibly like continue going downward. But as I said, like I was gauging more towards the upside, so it can basically like, factor in like certain confirmations that I was looking for. If you're in my personal mentorship, then you already know why and what I'm looking for. But if you're not, then like even alone off of these breakdowns that I'm doing, like you can kind of like still make money off of these, which I've had people like, like your like was fire, yada yada, like it was just like great, you know what I mean, like great response from it. So um the whole point of like this move is just basically like obviously market structure was broken, but it was like mostly like going towards the upside, right? So I'll play like a little bit play by play, and then like as I said, like I wanted it to come back down to either this blue area or this yellow area to then continue going upward, right? And then from there, we basically got like a good like move, and that's it. Good move going towards the upside to where like I stated, like I wanted it to break, catch some support, right? And then continue going towards the upside if it wants to continue going towards the upside. Now, because today's now, like it's now Thursday, I'm not looking for any kind of like other moves as of now. So right now, I'm chilling. Right now, my weekend started. I'm chilling. I'm doing my journaling. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not even focused on, excuse me, I'm not even focused on anything else. My whole job right now is just to just let everything just do its thing. Like that's it. Simple. So yeah. With that being said, I want to make this short and sweet, just real quick, and just make sure that everyone's uh doing their best out there. Just do your best. If you have any time to just sit down and get something done for yourself, do it. Just do it. Just do it. That's it. Just get it done. That's it. Um yeah, and let's see what we get this next upcoming week. Maybe we get like a retracement or something, and then possibly a continuation towards the upside, and then keep going. Like that's just it. In this case, like for this, like since we got like that good bullish move, right? We could potentially see something come down to where then we can maybe get a break, boom, and then continue going towards the upside. You know what I mean? Just in that sense. So that's all like I'm looking for in the next coming week. Like that's it. Unless it's gonna continue like to break or go towards the downside, then cool, no problem. But regardless, I'm gonna react to it. And I'm not gonna predict. I'm just gonna react to whatever the market is showing me, and then just react to it. Simple as that. So with that being said, this is Nelly Nugs. Y'all have a great one. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Some of you already have, and I appreciate that. You got to like get a little insight of what I do, and then yeah. Oh, feel free, please. Like I'm trying to like really get this going. So if you can, please share the video, share a comment here. Are you learning anything? Are you like gaining any type of like knowledge? Are you seeing anything like in the same sense of that? So let me know. I'd love to know. But yeah, I mean I'll be I appreciate like the subscribe. I appreciate the follow, because some people do end up going to my IG and following me there, so I appreciate that too. But also like the sharing and commenting, you know what I mean? And that's it. So yeah, let me know if you mainly gained anything from it, because that's basically like the whole point of this channel, to basically help those who are learning how to trade and stuff like that. So yeah. So again, Nelly Nugs here. I'll catch you on the flip side. Have a great weekend. And yeah, let's get ready for next week. Peace.